the family is happy because now he's studying. Thank you so much. I was very grateful for the pads they brought for Kadri's. They helped him, especially the red one. It fits him well, but only that it is at times it soaks, because I first put a diaper, then I put that one on top, so that the urine does not go up to the trousers. But if I could get another one like the red one, so that I can have two, so that if this one soaks, then I can use next day I use the other one. But